Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read chapter 5 from our Joyful Mathematics of class 1, and the chapter name is How Many? Let us read. Going out with grandfather.
Going out with grandfather.
Let children look at the picture
Let children look at the picture
and share what activities they do.
and share what activities they do
In the park,
in the park.
they may also discuss
They may also discuss
the number of people
the number of people
joining in the park.
joining in the park.
For example,
For example,
how many children are playing
how many children are playing
in the first picture
in the first picture
and how many joined them.
and how many joined them.
Let children discuss or share
Let children discuss or share
the importance of spending time
the importance of spending time
with grandparents
with grandparents
and discuss ways of
and discuss ways of
showing respect to them.
showing respect to them.
Tell how many altogether.
Tell how many altogether.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks.
4 children
4 children
and 2 children
and 2 children
altogether make
altogether make
blank children.
blank children.
4 plus 2
4 plus 2
equals blank.
equals blank.
3 tops
3 tops
and 1 top
and 1 top
altogether make
altogether make
blank tops.
blank tops.
3 plus 1
3 plus 1
equals blank.
equals blank.
3 ends
3 ends
and 2 ends
and 2 ends
altogether make
altogether make
blank ends.
blank ends.
3 plus 2
3 plus 2
equals blank.
equals blank.
4 pencils
4 pencils
and 3 pencils
and 3 pencils
altogether make
altogether make
blank pencils.
blank pencils.
4 plus 3
4 plus 3
equals blank.
equals blank.
Provide children enough opportunity
Provide children enough opportunity
to do addition
to do additions
with lots of concrete objects.
with lots of concrete objects.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to find the total number of objects
to find the total number of objects
by combining two groups,
by combining 2 groups,
aggregation,
aggregation,
and also by adding more objects
and also by adding more objects
to an existing group of objects.
to an existing group of objects.
Augmentation.
Augmentation.
Practice work should be done
Practice work should be done
with the children
with the children
on both types of addition problems.
on both types of addition problems.
Add and draw.
Add and draw.
6 balls
6 balls
and 2 balls
and 2 balls
all together make
altogether make
blank balls.
blank balls.
6 plus 2
6 plus 2
equals blank.
equals blank.
7 plus 1
7 plus 1
equals blank.
equals blank.
Let us count.
Let us count.
A.
A.
How many brothers and sisters
How many brothers and sisters
do your parents have all together?
do your parents have altogether?
B.
B.
How many family members
How many family members
do you and your friend have
do you and your friend have
all together?
altogether?
C.
C.
How many fingers
How many fingers
do you have
do you have
in both your hands
in both your hands
and feet?
and feet?
D.
D.
How many numbers
How many numbers
can you count on your fingers?
can you count on your fingers?
Encourage children to understand
Encourage children to understand
and say the addition sentences aloud.
and say the addition sentences aloud.
For example,
For example,
4 children and 2 children
4 children and 2 children
all together make 6 children.
all together make 6 children.
And connect the word
And connect the word
make
make
with the symbol of addition
with the symbol of addition
and all together with the symbol of equal to.
and all together with the symbol of equal to.
Children should be provided opportunities
Children should be provided opportunities
to work with concrete material
to work with concrete materials
in developing the vocabulary like total,
in developing the vocabulary like total,
sum,
sum,
altogether,
altogether,
etc.
etc.
Before progressing towards
Before progressing towards
symbolic representation
symbolic representation
or addition of numbers,
or addition of numbers,
count and write
count and write
the total number of fingers.
the total number of fingers.
4 plus 3
4 plus 3
equals blank.
equals blank.
3 plus 2
3 plus 2
equals blank.
equals blank.
5 plus 3
5 plus 3
equals blank.
equals blank.
4 plus 0
4 plus 0
equals blank.
equals blank.
4 plus 4
4 plus 4
equals blank.
equals blank.
Let us play.
Let us play.
Addition with dice.
Addition with dice.
Take turns
Take turns
and roll 2 dice together
and roll 2 dice together
and find the total number of dots
and find the total number of dots
on both the dice.
on both the dice.
Now ask your friend
Now ask your friend
to roll the dice
to roll the dice
and find the total number of dots.
and find the total number of dots.
Find out who scores more.
Find out who scores more.
Let us do.
Let us do.
Kishore and Nitya
Kishore and Nitya
also played the same game.
also played the same game.
And here are their dots
And here are their dots
on the dice.
on the dice.
Find out how many times
Find out how many times
Kishore won
Kishore won
and how many times
and how many times
Nitya won
Nitya won
by putting the tick on their scoreboard.
by putting the tick on their scoreboard.
Kishore,
Kishore,
Nitya,
Nitya,
Kishore,
Kishore,
Nitya.
Nitya.
Beads and string.
Beads and string.
Color the beads in the string
Color the beads in the string
as per the numbers given below
as per the numbers given below
and find the total number of colored beads.
and find the total number of colored beads.
A.
A.
3 plus 4
3 plus 4
equals.
equals.
B.
B.
4 plus 2
4 plus 2
equals.
equals.
C.
C.
5 plus 4
5 plus 4
equals.
equals.
D.
D.
2 plus 7
2 plus 7
equals.
equals.
E.
E.
7 plus 3
7 plus 3
equals.
equals.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to play with beads strings.
to play with bead strings.
Focus on the process of addition
Focus on the process of addition
and discuss the strategies they are using.
and discuss the strategies they are using.
Hop and find the sum.
Hop and find the sum.
4 plus 2
4 plus 2
equals.
equals.
3 plus 2
3 plus 2
equals.
equals.
5 plus 3
5 plus 3
equals.
equals.
6 plus 3
6 plus 3
equals.
equals.
Add in your own way.
Add in your own way.
Abdul and Rihanna
Abdul and Rihanna
are adding numbers
are adding numbers
in 2 different ways.
in 2 different ways.
Help them to find the sum.
Help them to find the sum.
2 plus 3
2 plus 3
2 plus 3
2 plus 3
equals
equals
blank.
blank.
5 plus 1
5 plus 1
5 plus 1
5 plus 1
equals
equals
blank.
blank.
3 plus 3
3 plus 3
3 plus 3
3 plus 3
equals
equals
blank.
blank.
9 plus 1
9 plus 1
9 plus 1
9 plus 1
equals
equals
blank.
blank.
Let us do.
Let us do.
A.
A.
Fill up the number pairs.
Fill up the number pairs.
7 plus 1
7 plus 1
1 plus 7
1 plus 7
2 plus 6
2 plus 6
3 plus 5
3 plus 5
5 plus 3
5 plus 3
8
8
5
5
6 plus 1
6 plus 1
1 plus 6
1 plus 6
5 plus 2
5 plus 2
7
7
1 plus 8
1 plus 8
6 plus 3
6 plus 3
2 plus 7
2 plus 7
9
9.
B.
B.
Add and match the following.
Add and match the following.
1 plus 4
1 plus 4
5
5
4 plus 2
4 plus 2
6 plus 3
6 plus 3
6
6
3 plus 4
3 plus 4
5 plus 2
5 plus 2
7
7
3 plus 2
3 plus 2
0 plus 6
0 plus 6
9
9
5 plus 4
5 plus 4.
Project work.
Project work.
Take 10 cards 0 to 9.
Take 10 cards 0 to 9.
Blank plus blank
Blank plus blank
equals 9.
equals 9.
Arrange the cards
Arrange the cards
in such a manner
in such a manner
that their sum must be 9.
that their sum must be 9.
Blank plus blank plus blank
Blank plus blank plus blank
equals 9.
equals 9.
There are many ways
There are many ways
to do it.
To do it.
In how many ways
In how many ways
can you do it?
can you do it?
Blank plus blank
Blank plus blank
equals 9.
equals 9.
Addition story.
Addition story.
A.
A.
Raghav has 4 cells
Raghav has 4 cells
and Sarita has 5 cells.
and Sarita has 5 cells.
How many cells
How many cells
they have all together?
they have all together?
Blank.
Blank.
B.
B.
Ranjit has 3 marbles
Ranjit has 3 marbles
and Meenakshi has 6 marbles.
and Meenakshi has 6 marbles.
How many marbles
How many marbles
they have in total?
they have in total?
Blank.
Blank.
C.
C.
There are 3 coconuts
There are 3 coconuts
in one bag.
in one bag.
There are 4 coconuts
There are 4 coconuts
in another bag.
in another bag.
How many coconuts
How many coconuts
are there in all?
are there in all?
Blank.
Blank.
Let us see
Let us see
what we have in our bags.
what we have in our bags.
Do it with your friend
Do it with your friend
and write down the answers below.
and write down the answers below.
A.
A.
I have blank books in my bag
I have blank books in my bag
and my friend has blank books.
and my friend has blank books.
We both have
We both have
blank books in all.
blank books in all.
B.
B.
I have blank pencils
I have blank pencils
and my friend has blank pencils.
and my friend has blank pencils.
We have blank pencils all together.
We have blank pencils all together.
C.
C.
I have blank notebooks
I have blank notebooks
and my friend has blank notebooks.
and my friend has blank notebooks.
We have blank notebooks in total.
We have blank notebooks in total.
Think and do.
Think and do.
Write the numbers 1,
Write the numbers 1,
2
2
and 3
and 3
in the given table
in the given table
in a way
in a way
as shown by the dotted lines
as shown by the dotted lines,
so that each way adds up to 6.
so that each way adds up to 6.
This activity
This activity
can be conducted in pairs.
can be conducted in pairs.
Encourage children to create
Encourage children to create
their own problems
their own problems
and questions.
and questions.
Also discuss in class
Also discuss in class
about the world's oldest sun temple,
about the world's oldest sun temple,
Konark,
Konark,
Odisha.
Odisha.
Refer to the image,
Refer to the image,
page 56
page 56
of Wheel in Konark Sun Chariot.
of Wheeling Konark Sun Chariot.
Now let us sing Five Little Children. Five little children, raise your hand. Five little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. Here comes your stand. One step song with the roll. One step song with the roll. Now we are four. Now we are four. Four little children, raise your hand. Four little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. Here comes your stand. One step out near a tree. One step out near a tree. Now we are three. Now we are three. Three little children, raise your hand. Three little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. Here comes your stand. One step out with shining soon. One step out with shining soon. Now we are two. Now we are two. Two little children, raise your hand. Two little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. Here comes your stand. One step little child, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. Here comes your stand. Last step out, having much fun. Last step out, having much fun. Now there are none. Now there are none. Now there are none.
Let us talk.
Let us talk.
A.
A.
How many children
How many children
are there in the bus
are there in the bus
at the beginning?
at the beginning?
B.
B.
How many children
How many children
get down from the bus
get down from the bus
on the first stand?
on the first stand?
C. How many children
How many children
are left in the bus
are left in the bus
after the first stop?
after the first stop?
D.
D.
How many children
How many children
are left after the second stand?
are left after the second stand?
Answer the same
Answer the same
for third,
for third,
fourth,
fourth,
and fifth stand.
and fifth stand.
E.
E.
How many children
How many children
are left in the bus
are left in the bus
at the end?
at the end?
Project work.
Project work.
Find out the number of people
Find out the number of people
at your home.
at your home.
How many are going to school
How many are going to school
for work
for work
and how many stay at home?
and how many stay at home?
Let us do.
Let us do.
How many left?
How many left?
A.
A.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks.
6 frogs,
6 frogs.
2 jumped away,
2 jumped away.
blank left.
Blank left.
6 minus 2
6 minus 2
equals blank.
equals blank.
2.
2.
7 balloons,
7 balloons.
blank flew away.
Blank flew away.
5 left.
Five.
7 minus 2
7 minus 2
equals blank.
equals blank.
3.
3.
9 bananas,
9 bananas.
6 took away,
6 took away.
blank left.
Blank left.
9 minus 6
9 minus 6
equals blank.
equals blank.
B. Draw the objects
Draw the objects
that are being left
that are being left
and fill in the blanks.
and fill in the blanks.
1.
1.
Blank pots,
Blank pots.
blank pot broke,
Blank pot broke.
blank left.
Blank left.
3
3
minus blank
minus blank
equals blank.
equals blank.
2.
2.
7 laddus,
7 laddus.
4 eaten,
4 eaten.
blank left.
Blank left.
7 minus 4
7 minus 4
equals blank.
equals blank.
3.
3.
7 balls,
7 balls.
blank took away,
Blank took away.
blank left.
Blank left.
7 minus blank
7 minus blank
equals blank.
equals blank.
C.
C.
Answer the following questions.
Answer the following questions.
1.
1.
Manisha has 9 bananas.
Manisha has 9 bananas.
She ate 3 bananas.
She ate 3 bananas.
How many bananas are left?
How many bananas are left?
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
There are 8 butterflies
There are 8 butterflies
on the flowers.
on the flowers.
5 butterflies flew away.
5 butterflies flew away.
How many butterflies are left?
How many butterflies are left?
Blank.
Blank.
Let us do.
Let us do.
Make your own
Make your own
10 dots card
10 dots card
and hide a few dots
and hide a few dots
from your friends.
from your friends.
Ask them how many dots
Ask them how many dots
are hidden.
are hidden.
How many dots are hidden
How many dots are hidden
and how many dots are visible.
and how many dots are visible.
Total dots 10,
Total dots 10.
hidden dots,
Hidden dots.
visible dots
Visible dots
0,
0.
10.
10.
Project work.
Project work.
Ask children to make a frame
Ask children to make a frame
with 8 dots.
with 8 dots.
Now hide few dots
Now hide few dots
using their hands
using their hands
or handkerchief
or handkerchief
and see how many dots are hidden
and see how many dots are hidden
and how many are visible.
and how many are visible.
Is there any pattern in the numbers?
Is there any patterns in the numbers?
Extend this activity for other numbers.
Extend this activity for other numbers.
Is it possible to do this
Is it possible to do this
without hiding the dots?
without hiding the dots?
Hop backwards on the number strip.
Hop backwards on the number strip.
A. Jump 3 steps back from 9.
Jump 3 steps back from 9.
9 minus 3
9 minus 3
equals 6.
equals 6.
B.
B.
Jump 4 steps back from 7.
Jump 4 steps back from 7.
7 minus 4
7 minus 4
equals blank.
equals blank.
Do the subtraction in your own way.
Do the subtraction in your way.
A.
A.
8 minus 2
8 minus 2
equals blank.
equals blank.
B.
B.
7 minus 3
7 minus 3
equals blank.
equals blank.
C.
C.
9 minus 5
9 minus 5
equals blank.
equals blank.
D.
D.
6 minus 3
6 minus 3
equals blank.
equals blank.
E.
E.
5 minus 1
5 minus 1
equals blank.
equals blank.
F.
F.
4 minus 2
4 minus 2
equals blank.
equals blank.